And new tonight, COVID concerns keeping Mardi Gras fans on their toes. The crew of Columbus becoming the latest Mardi Gras organization to have to cancel for 2021. Investigative reporter Brendan Kirby live at Mobile Mardi Gras Museum with the reaction. Brendan.
Well, Denise, it looks like the Mardi Gras season is imperiled, but this is still a fluid situation. The coronavirus pandemic has upended Mardi Gras plans, throwing the Mobile Marquee annual event in jeopardy. The crew of Columbus isn't the first carnival organization to bow out of the 2021 season, but it may be the most important. Steve Joint, who publishes the Mobile Mask, says it might be a tipping point because of the organization's prominence in history.
It's a different threshold, I think, that we've reached in that the crew is by far the largest and oldest organization here or in New Orleans even to announce a cancellation at this point.
Mobile Mayor Sandy Stimson didn't want to go on camera, but he sent us a statement indicating that last week he hosted a Zoom meeting with New Orleans Mayor LaTourre Cantrell. His statement reads in part, quote, "Right now, we don't have a definitive update to give, but we are continuing to work with local parading societies and public health officials as we look for ways to celebrate Mardi Gras in Mobile as safely as possible next year. We plan to release more information as soon as we are able." For now, the Mobile Civic Center is continuing to book balls for Mardi Gras organizations. Kendall Wall, who manages the Mobile Civic Center and the Convention Center, says his staff is working hard to help organizations plan balls under new social distancing rules. But he says the capacity tops out at about 2,600 people.
That's the greatest challenge that everybody's got is, because these guys are used to having, 4,000, 5,000, or 6,000 to the event itself. So that's really the big challenge right now.
Losing the balls in the parades would be a disappointment and an economic blow to a city that relies on visitors and the money they spend through carnival season. But Joint notes it wouldn't be unprecedented. World War II forced the cancellation of Mardi Gras. And Joint says putting off parades for a year can't kill Mardi Gras entirely. He says Mobilians would just have to get more creative. By way of analogy, he points to a Dr. Seuss cartoon.
They can't cancel Mardi Gras. You can cancel a parade, you can cancel a ball, but you can't cancel Mardi Gras. The Grinch never stole Christmas. The Grinch stole Christmas trees and presents. But the Who's down in Whoville still had Christmas. That's the lesson, right?
We also reached out to the executive director of the Mobile Carnival Association. She sent us a statement that reiterates it's just too soon to know how this unique Mardi Gras season is going to unfold. Reporting live in Mobile, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.
Taking a list at some of the Mardi Gras events already canceled. As mentioned, the crew of Columbus calling off its 100th parade and ball scheduled for February 12th. The Order of Polka Dots pulling the plug on its parade and ball for February 4th. And the Crew des Dauphins canceling the parade, which was supposed to happen January 16th. Now we have a full list of the cancellations for you on fox10tv.com.